Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make this kawaii candy corn charm out of polymer clay. So first I'm starting off with 3 balls of polymer clay, and each of these are in a different size and colour. I have the white ball, which is the smallest, the orange, which is the middle, and the yellow, which is the largest. I'm taking the white ball first and shaping the sides until it comes to a point. And then just really lightly flattening down the orange and yellow balls. So once they look like this, I'm going to stack them up. I'm taking the orange and placing it on the yellow, and the white on top of the orange, and it looks kind of like a little snowman. I'm then using my fingers to turn it and shape it into sort of an upside down ice cream cone. And then once the layers are all nicely blended, I'm using a dotting tool to poke holes for the eyes. And adding in little balls of black clay. And then placing on a little tiny mouth. I'm then using a thin paintbrush to add on some pink chalk pastel for the cheeks. Then to turn it into a charm, I'm placing in an Eyepin and then baking it using my package's instructions. And then once everything is cooled down, I'm securing the Eyepin with some super glue. And then adding on a layer of UV resin to give it some shine. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!